Hi there. In this video, we will create a very simple JavaScript function that will replace all the numbers with a specified number of a given array of integers. So, for example, we have this array with numbers 1 to 7 and we want to replace this number 2 with 22. So, this should be expected output. Okay. So, in this example, we have only one element with number 2. We might have multiple same elements and our function should replace all elements with this new number. Okay, so we will create a JavaScript function to achieve the same functionality. First of all, let's create our function replace array elements. Okay, is equal to array function ES6 array method. For example, we have array with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and simply log array. Okay, so now we have our input array. Second argument should be old element, and third argument should be new element. So old element will be 2 in our example, and new element will be 22. Okay, all right. So let's create another constant. New array is equal to our function replace array elements and pass this array. Okay, and let's try to log this array as well. Okay, so first of all, we will create for loop. Let I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus, standard JavaScript for loop. Okay, here what we will check, let's log one value array of I. So it should be array of I and our old element. Okay, so for this loop we will get number 2. Okay, so it should be, yeah, we need to pass old element and 22 or 33, whatever you want to replace. So old element will be 2 for each case. So here we got our loop. So here we need to check if array of I is equal to old element. We need strict equal to sign because we need to check if it is number or it is string. We need to compare the data type as well. Okay, so if in our array some element is equal to this number 2, whatever we are passing in the argument, we have to simply replace that element with new element. Okay, and it should be it. So let's see. Okay, out, outside this for loop we need to return our array as well. Okay, so you can see now this is our old array 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are replacing number 2 with 22. So now this is 122 3 4 5. Okay, for another test we can write down 2 multiple times, then we should receive this output as multiple replaced with the number 2 with 22. Okay, so we are using loop, so that is obvious that we will get multiple numbers. Okay, so this was very simple example that you can create a JavaScript function that will replace all the numbers with a specified number of given array of integers. Okay, so if you find this video guys, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestion or you can create any alternate function for this functionality, you can surely leave your comments, and see you next time around. Thank you.